Ever stared at those mesmerizing charts on TradingView with their intricate lines and colorful indicators and wondered, could I actually make a trade right here, right now? You're not alone. Millions of traders and investors flock to this platform daily, drawn by its powerful charting tools, vibrant community, and wealth of market data. But the burning question remains, is TradingView just for analysis, or can it be your actual gateway to the markets? For those unfamiliar, TradingView has become the go-to hub for many in the financial world. It's a place to dissect price action, share trading ideas, and backtest strategies. You can overlay a dizzying array of technical indicators, from moving averages to Fibonacci retracements, all on beautifully rendered charts. The social aspect is huge too, with users sharing their insights and predictions, creating a dynamic and often insightful community. However, for a long time, TradingView primarily functioned as an analytical powerhouse. You could meticulously plan your trades, identify potential entry and exit points, and even simulate paper trading, but when it came to executing real money trades, you'd typically have to switch to a separate brokerage platform. This often involved manually inputting the trade details, which could be time-consuming and prone to errors. But the landscape has been evolving. TradingView recognized the demand for a more integrated experience, the ability to seamlessly transition from analysis to execution without leaving the platform. And that's where things get really interesting. Over time, TradingView has strategically partnered with a growing list of brokers. These integrations allow you to connect your existing brokerage accounts directly to your TradingView profile. Imagine the convenience. You're analyzing a promising setup on a chart, and with a few clicks, you can place your buy or sell order directly through your connected broker, all within the familiar TradingView interface. The list of supported brokers continues to expand, offering users a wider range of options based on their geographical location, trading preferences, and the assets they want to trade. Whether you're interested in stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities, there's a good chance you'll find a compatible broker. Of course, the specifics of how this integration works can vary slightly depending on the broker. Typically, you'll need to authorize TradingView to connect to your brokerage account through a secure API. Once connected, you'll usually see a trading panel integrated into your TradingView layout, allowing you to view your account balance, open positions, and place new orders. It's important to remember that while TradingView facilitates the connection and order placement, your actual funds and trades are still managed by your chosen broker. TradingView doesn't hold your money or act as a custodian. They simply provide the interface to interact with your broker's trading infrastructure. So, to definitively answer the initial question, yes, you absolutely can trade on TradingView, provided you connect your account with a supported broker. This integration streamlines the trading process, allowing you to act on your analysis quickly and efficiently. It bridges the gap between identifying opportunities and capitalizing on them, all within a single, powerful platform. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.